Let's see how my face is.
Don't use that one.
That was quite fun. Nice jumps. Young woman ready to fight for rally. Good morning. Now we are going to Shakedown, and then we have some media things, some meets, and after first stage we will have some jumps, big ones.
We can leave it now if you want,
Yeah.
and then when you bleed the pressure here, you tell me okay, it's too much, too less, or it's fine. And like this, we adapt for the next one.
That was quite fun. Nice jumps.
We are doing some mechanical changes, and then as soon as we are ready, we go.
How many runs are you going to do?
I don't know yet, but maybe 3 or 4.
Pocket time? 10. What advice?
Just enjoy it. That's it. Shakedown was good fun, everything went well, and actually that's one of my favorite stages because of those big jumps. That was nice. I'm so happy to see so many young women here and ready to fight for rally. It's really important for me that we have things like that because we need more women here, and that's the only way to push them up and show that we have many options here for the women. We have one stage today, Harju, which is not so fast. The real fan starts tomorrow. I'm ready. I'm preparing everything ready for Recce. I have my pad, I have road book. I always highlight everything I need to, if there's something to notice. And of course, I need pens. I have my writing table. Rally Finland is always special because all the Finnish fans and family, it's nice to drive in front of them.
See you soon.
Sumppu.
I have my notes for the Harju stage. Here is everything written down. I think it's a bit complicated. It's short, but it's really narrow, and there is some concrete close to road, so we need to be really exact.
here to service out and perform.
Oh, my day is
It's done.
finished.
It's done.
This day was long but easy. A lot of, I don't know what to say. I have already used all my brains. Job is done for today, and tomorrow is proper rally.